In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Webull Desktop on your Mac. Webull is a popular trading platform that lets you trade stocks, ETFs, and options, while also giving you access to advanced charts and real-time market data. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your Mac. You can use Safari, Chrome, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, go to the official Webull website by typing www.webull.com and press Enter. Once the website loads, go to the top menu and hover over Trading and Investing. From the drop-down menu, click on Desktop App. This will take you to the download page. I'll also leave the direct link in the video description for easy access. On this page, click on the Download for Mac button. The Webull desktop file will now start downloading to your Mac. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the Webull file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the Webull icon into your Applications folder. This will copy Webull into your applications. Once it's finished, you can close the window and move the installer file to the trash. Now, go to your applications and open Webull. The first time you open it, you might see a security message. Just click Open to confirm. And that's it. Webull Desktop is now installed and ready to use on your MacBook. You can now log in or create an account, start trading, analyze charts, and explore all the features the platform has to offer. Alright, that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.